In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a feed view in Notion. A feed view is perfect when you want your content to flow in a chronological, scannable stream, similar to a social timeline. It's great for updates, announcements, project logs, or any workspace where the latest items should rise to the top and be easy to browse without jumping between different layouts. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the page you want to change. Make sure you're on the page that actually contains the content you want to display as a feed. If you work with databases or pages that hold a list of entries, that's an ideal candidate. Give the page a second to fully load so all options are available. Once you're on the right page, open its settings. Depending on your Notion layout, this may appear as a three-dot menu in the upper corner of the page or a dedicated settings button. You're looking for the place where display options for the page are controlled. If you're in a database, this is usually alongside the view controls. If you don't immediately see it, hover near the page title or the top right toolbar and it should appear. Also, ensure you have edit access to the page. View-only access can hide configuration controls. Inside the settings area, locate the section labeled Layout. This is where Notion lets you choose how your content is presented. Layout is the home for all the visual styles you're used to, and switching layouts here won't delete your content. It simply changes how it's displayed. If you're collaborating with a team, remember that changing layout can affect how others see this page, so it's good practice to confirm the change is what your team expects. From the layout options, select Feed. As soon as you pick Feed, the page will transform into a vertically stacked stream of entries, emphasizing the most recent updates so they're front and center. Your existing filters and properties still apply, but the presentation becomes optimized for quick reading and catching up. This is especially helpful for status updates, meeting notes, or announcements where context builds over time. If your workspace relies on consistency, consider adding brief summaries or clear titles to each entry so the feed is even easier to skim. That's all it takes. Choose the right page, open its settings, head to Layout, and switch to Feed. With this setup, your Notion content becomes a clean, chronological stream that makes staying up to date effortless.